Hello guys, we're getting some agua. There's Augie. He doesn't want to be in the show.
I'm not gonna write you a love song, 'cause it asks.
This is behind the scenes part dos.
Part dos?
And then we're getting some agua. So we'll come back to you.
You say goodbye and I say hello, hello, hello. I don't know why you say goodbye, say hello, hello, hello. I don't know why you say goodbye, say hello, hello, hello.
That is a special game. Yeah.
Getting some agua. Agua man. There's the water fountain. So wait. This is the water fountain. You might have seen this video. Yeah, this is the agua fountain. So this is George. Here's Augie, one of our main idea mans. So Augie, any words?
No.
Sure?
Okay, Nate, but
Sure?
you're not allowed to be
I don't know why Augie's quiet today. Augie. Augie. Augie Vision. This is a new TV program called Augie.
Augie, here we go.
Hi Augie.
Come here.
Augs.
He's a
Yeah.
little guy.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh crap!
Yeah. This is like the only girl we have in our videos. Why?
Hey,
I don't know why.
armpit farts?
No.
Here. Sorry. Sorry, I had
Anything
to do
else?
that.
Well, I want some water, so.